Caring for your skin doesn't always require a trip to the beauty aisle or a hefty investment in skincare products. Natural remedies, often made with ingredients you already have at home, can be just as effective in addressing common skin concerns. They are chemical-free, gentle, and tailored to nourish your skin in the purest way possible. This comprehensive guide will dive deep into 10 tried-and-true homemade remedies that cater to various skin needs. From hydration and exfoliation to soothing irritation and combating acne, these remedies are here to help you achieve that radiant glow. 1. Honey and lemon, the ultimate brightening duo.
Honey being used for moisturizing the skin and for its antibacterial and wound healing properties. Not only does honey itself have a variety of compounds, which we'll talk about in today's video, that portend benefit directly for the skin, but it also can be used as a vehicle to apply other things.
Honey and lemon are a dynamic duo when it comes to skin brightening and hydration. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it locks in moisture, while its antibacterial properties help to prevent acne and heal minor skin irritations. Lemon, on the other hand, is packed with vitamin C, which aids in lightening dark spots, evening out the skin tone, and boosting collagen production. To prepare this remedy, mix 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey with half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the sensitive areas around the eyes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once a week for a naturally glowing complexion. For those with sensitive skin, consider diluting the lemon juice further or skipping it entirely to avoid irritation. 2. Aloe Vera Gel, hydration and healing.
So aloe is very nutrient dense. It has a lot of minerals, vitamins, and phytonutrients. It's primarily good for 2 things. 1, sunburn or acne. Okay, so it's good for the skin. Also, it can help psoriasis in the scalp and digestion. Specifically, things like acid reflux or GERD, ulcers, and inflammation, as in Crohn's, IBS, celiac, things like that. And it's also really good for constipation because it can act as a laxative. You just want to make sure if you're getting aloe that you don't get the version with a lot of preservatives and chemicals. You want to get it as natural and as concentrated as possible. It also has antibacterial effects. It's good for your blood sugars, good for the hair, it's good for the immune system, and it has antifungal properties.
Aloe vera is a holy grail ingredient for skin care, known for its soothing, hydrating, and healing properties. It's particularly effective for dry skin, sunburn, and irritation caused by acne. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which act as antioxidants to repair skin damage and improve elasticity. To use aloe vera, cut a fresh leaf from the plant and extract the gel using a spoon. Apply the gel directly to your face, massaging it gently into the skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. For added benefits, combine aloe vera gel with a few drops of rose water or essential oil like lavender to enhance its calming effects. Regular use, 2 to 3 times a week, can leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and refreshed. 3. Oatmeal and yogurt mask, gentle exfoliation. Exfoliation is essential for removing dead skin cells and promoting cell renewal. An oatmeal and yogurt mask provides a gentle way to exfoliate while also soothing the skin. Oatmeal acts as a mild abrasive, making it ideal for sensitive skin, while yogurt contains lactic acid, which brightens the complexion and helps to fade blemishes. To prepare this mask, grind 2 tablespoons of oatmeal into a fine powder and mix it with 1 tablespoon of plain unsweetened yogurt. Optionally, add a teaspoon of honey for extra hydration. Apply the mixture to your face, massaging it gently in circular motions to exfoliate. Leave it on for 10 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once a week for best results. 4. Turmeric and milk, the glow-enhancing mask. Turmeric has long been a staple in skincare, especially in traditional remedies. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce redness, acne, and scarring. Milk, a natural source of lactic acid, gently exfoliates and hydrates the skin, enhancing the overall glow. Together, they form a potent mask for brightening and evening out the skin tone. To create this mask, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 teaspoons of raw milk to form a smooth paste. Apply it to your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Since turmeric can stain, use an old towel to pat your face dry and avoid over-applying the spice. For oily skin, consider adding a pinch of gram flour to the mask for oil control. 5. Coconut oil, deep nourishment.
Pure cold pressed coconut oil is what I recommend to all of my patients who come with dryness of skin. Yes, I'm a dermatologist and I recommend pure cold pressed coconut oil because I think it is the best natural and the most versatile oil that one can use, not just for skin but also for hair and nails. Now let me tell you how it helps, okay? Let's begin with the skin. The first thing that coconut oil does is it repairs our skin barrier function. With external pollutants, the use of chemicals, multiple skincare routines and regimes and makeups, we destroy the barrier. And when we restore the barrier is when the skin actually looks healthier and can breathe. Second is it is a great emollient. It is a great moisturizer because after application, it does not let the water evaporate from the skin and it acts as a shield, preventing external irritants from entering the skin.
Coconut oil is a deeply moisturizing natural emollient that restores hydration to dry, flaky skin. Rich in fatty acids, it strengthens the skin's barrier, preventing moisture loss while also having antibacterial properties that protect against breakouts. For a simple nighttime moisturizer, warm a small amount of virgin coconut oil between your palms and gently massage it into your face and neck. Leave it on overnight and wash your face in the morning for soft, hydrated skin. If you have acne-prone skin, patch test first, as coconut oil can clog pores for some individuals. Alternatively, mix coconut oil with aloe vera gel for a lighter, non-greasy application. 6. Cucumber and rose water, a cooling toner. Cucumber and rose water combine to create a refreshing toner that calms irritated skin, tightens pores, and hydrates deeply. Cucumber is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that soothe inflammation, while rose water balances the skin's pH and acts as a natural astringent. Grate half a cucumber and extract its juice using a strainer. Mix the juice with an equal amount of rose water and store it in a clean spray bottle. Refrigerate the mixture for up to a week. Spray it onto your face as needed or use a cotton pad to apply it. This remedy is especially effective after sun exposure or during hot weather to refresh and cool the skin. 7. Green tea and rice flour. Mask, anti-aging and brightening. Green tea is packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and slow the aging process. Combined with rice flour, a gentle exfoliant, it helps to brighten the skin, tighten pores, and reduce fine lines. To prepare the mask, brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool. Mix 2 tablespoons of rice flour with enough green tea to create a paste. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. Then rinse with lukewarm water while gently scrubbing in circular motions. Use this remedy once or twice a week to reveal brighter, smoother skin. 8. Papaya and honey, skin renewal mask. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells, promotes cell turnover, and helps fade dark spots. Honey adds hydration and antibacterial protection, making this mask suitable for dull or uneven skin. Mash a small piece of ripe papaya into a smooth paste and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with water and pat your skin dry. Regular use of this mask can improve skin texture and tone, leaving it looking revitalized. 9. Baking soda spot treatment for acne. Baking soda is an affordable remedy for acne spots due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to dry out pimples while reducing redness and swelling. To use baking soda as a spot treatment, mix a teaspoon of it with a few drops of water to form a thick paste. Apply the paste directly to acne spots and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and apply a moisturizer to prevent dryness. Limit this treatment to once a week and avoid using it on large areas, as it can be too harsh for prolonged use. 10. Almond oil, gentle care for under eyes.
Almond oil is one of those versatile oils that are available in the armamentarium of mineral oils. Now, using the word mineral oil makes you feel that it can cause comedons or acne, but almond oil is a natural non-comedogenic oil because it's very lightweight. It has abundant vitamins, minerals, fatty acids, as well as antioxidant vitamin E, which gives you a complete nourishment, care, protection, as well as treatment for your skin and hair. Now let us understand how and what is almond oil. Almond oil is extracted from the almond nut tree.
Dark circles and puffiness around the eyes can make you look tired and aged. Almond oil, rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, nourishes the delicate under-eye skin and reduces the appearance of dark circles over time. Before bedtime, take a drop or two of almond oil on your fingertips and gently massage it into the under-eye area using your ring finger. This ensures minimal pressure on the sensitive skin. With consistent use, almond oil can brighten the under-eye area and leave it looking well-rested and rejuvenated. Homemade skincare remedies are an excellent way to nourish your skin naturally while avoiding harsh chemicals and unnecessary expenses. With ingredients like honey, turmeric, aloe vera, and papaya, you can target a range of skin concerns, from hydration and brightening to anti-aging and acne control. Consistency and care are key to achieving the best results. Incorporate these remedies into your skincare routine and complement them with healthy habits such as staying hydrated, eating a balanced diet, and protecting your skin from the sun. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. Take care. See you in the next video.